Hello, Martin at Pegasus. This is your T50-26 powered brake booster that I have rebuilt for you and getting ready to test. And as you may know, this is the ultimate variation on the T50 series of boosters. This has got over 4-to-1 boost ratio, so it's quite a beast. Let's go over the test procedure. We got vacuum. So we got your vacuum hose over here. That's where your vacuum is on your car. On the back, we've got a port that has a plug in it ordinarily, and that's a test port, and you can use that to test the booster when it's on the car if you so desire. And this is the vacuum gauge. It goes to the vacuum source on the car. This gauge is the one that goes to this test port on the back. So what's going to happen is both gauges are going to read vacuum, which is what can be produced by my vacuum pump. And as the booster is activated, this gauge will stay stationary. That's why it's called constant. And this one is going to slowly go down to 0 when the booster is fully activated and fully engaged. Over here, we've got our hydraulic gauges. This is our input down here, output. These two gauges are tied together, so with this gauge that will go up and max out. This gauge will read final input pressure, which is simply a function of my master cylinder, which is actually just this lever right here. And output is going to be here. This gauge is going to go up and max out, and this gauge is going to go up and read final output pressure from the booster, which would be the 4 times or over 4 times whatever this gauge is reading here. And we will do the first test without vacuum, just to check that our input and output and the gauges are reading the same, so that we've got input 350, output 350, and over here also reads approximately 350 within the variation of the gauges. Now, vacuum. Input, almost 1800 output. Gauge is on 0, at full activation. Now we come down here and check for leaks. Here's our bleed hole on the side. We'll also check for leaks at the base right here. Make sure the lead screw is holding pressure. You don't need to use this for bleeding the brakes. I don't even touch it. And we'll cycle the booster again. And I can feel the pressure in my master cylinder, and I can feel it in the hoses. That is a heck of a lot of boost coming out of that booster. So we have a good booster for you. I appreciate you sending it to me. Thank you very much.